Apple just quietly deleted the greatest tech deal in history right in front of our eyes. And the reason why is hiding a massive secret about the future of computing. If you go to Apple's website right now looking for the legendary $599 M4 Mac Mini, you're going to be in for a massive shock. It is completely gone. It is not just listed as out of stock. It is not listed as delayed. The entire configuration has been wiped from existence. The cheapest Mac Mini you can physically buy from Apple today will instantly cost you $799. That is a massive price hike literally overnight. Apple is forcing you to buy the 512GB storage model just to get your foot in the door. Everyone is currently panicking. People are asking if they should buy the Mac Mini now or wait for the M5 Mac Mini. People are desperately searching for the M5 Mac Mini release date. They are looking for price leaks. And honestly, the rumors pouring out of the supply chain right now are absolutely insane. Apple is preparing to drop a complete monster machine, but the entire launch is currently wrapped in a massive global crisis. Today we are looking at the real reason Apple just killed their best budget computer. The death of the cheap M4 Mac Mini comes down to two massive colliding forces. Apple completely underestimated both of them. First, we have the explosive boom in local artificial intelligence. People are no longer just buying base model Mac Minis to type Word documents. They are not just using them to browse the web. Developers and tech enthusiasts discovered a massive secret. They realized that the M4 Mac Mini with its unified memory is the absolute perfect secret weapon. It is amazing for running complex AI tasks. It is perfect for local large language models. So they started buying massive fleets of these tiny cheap computers. They used them to build their own private AI servers. This was much cheaper than paying massive fees for cloud processing. This created an unprecedented surge in demand. That demand completely drained Apple's inventory. But that explosive demand ran face first into a second problem. This second problem is much darker. We are currently right in the middle of a brutal global RAM shortage. Computer memory is practically becoming as expensive as gold right now. Because of this massive supply chain snag, Apple is genuinely struggling. They cannot secure enough RAM to build these machines. This crisis is incredibly bad. It is so bad that Apple even had to quietly remove the massive 512GB RAM option from their ultra-expensive Mac Studio. Think about that for a second. When the richest company on the planet has to pull store configurations because they cannot find enough parts, you know the tech industry is in serious trouble. Because the entry-level M4 is officially dead, the entire tech world is changing focus. Everyone is now obsessively hunting for Apple M5 chip leaks. If the latest supply chain reports are accurate, the upcoming M5 Mac Mini is going to be crazy. It is quietly shaping up to be Apple's most disruptive computer of 2026. This tiny box is hiding a massive architectural secret. This secret will completely change the desktop computing landscape. The biggest rumor right now revolves around a brand new design. It is called Fusion-style architecture. Apple is no longer relying on a traditional single-chip design. Instead, Apple is reportedly using advanced 2.5D packaging. This allows them to combine multiple silicon dies into one unified system. This crams the CPU, the GPU, and the memory closer together than ever before. This completely kills system latency. The early leaked benchmark numbers are genuinely terrifying for Windows PC builders. We are looking at a massive 45% GPU boost over the M4 generation. This is a huge jump in power. This means the base M5 Mac Mini will absolutely shred through heavy workloads. It will handle heavy 3D rendering easily. It will crush 4K video editing in Final Cut Pro without breaking a sweat. It is essentially shaping up to be a total Mac Studio killer for the average professional user. But Apple is not stopping at just raw graphical power. The leaks suggest the M5 chip will feature a brand new neural engine. This new engine is roughly 3.5 times faster than the previous generation. Apple is building the ultimate private AI brain for your desk. You will not need to rely on external cloud servers anymore. This machine will handle massive AI automation. Workflows completely offline. To keep all this insane power from melting the computer, Apple has to change the cooling. They are rumored to be introducing new thermal pillar technology inside the chassis. This brutally efficient cooling system will change everything. It will ensure that even when you are maxing out the Fusion chip, this tiny metal box remains silent. It will prevent the system from overheating. If you are waiting for a true workstation-level processing beast that fits in the palm of your hand, the M5 is going to be the holy grail. For the professionals who need even more speed, there is the M5 Pro Mac Mini. Leaks for the Pro model are pointing to the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5. This offers a massive 120 gigabytes per second of bandwidth. That is perfect for ultra-fast external storage. This brings us to the most important question everyone is typing into the search bar right now. What is the M5 Mac Mini price? And when is the actual release date? According to prominent industry analysts and recent supply chain leaks, Apple has a plan. They are targeting a massive reveal at WWDC 2026 this coming June. However, we have to remember the ongoing global RAM shortages. We also have to factor in rising component costs. Because of this, some sources like Mark Gurman have dropped hints. They suggest that supply chain snags could potentially push the actual shipping date back a bit. But when it does arrive, the pricing structure is going to look very different. It will not be what we are used to. The massive rumor right now is that the M5 Mac Mini will officially start at $699. That is a full $100 more than the old M4 starting price. However, there is a massive silver lining to this price bump. Apple is reportedly making 512 gigabytes of lightning-fast NVMe SSD storage the new baseline standard. Think about what you are getting for that price. You have to factor in the massive performance leap. You get the new Fusion architecture. You get the insane new offline AI capabilities. And you get the doubled starting storage. When you look at all of that, a $699 price tag is still an incredibly aggressive deal. So what should you do right now? Should you buy an M4 Mac Mini now, or wait for the M5 release? Historically, the smartest move was always to wait for the new generation to drop. That way you could buy the older model at a massive discount. But the global RAM shortage has completely broken that old rule. Right now, prices for existing Mac Minis on third-party sites are actually going up. This is because stock is drying up everywhere. If you sit around waiting for an M4 discount this summer, you might be out of luck. You might find that there are literally 0 units left to buy. If Apple completely sells out of the older stock, they win. They force you into buying the brand new M5 model at whatever price they dictate. Here is the ultimate buying strategy for this crazy market. Do not panic buy. But if you actually need a computer today, keep your eyes open. If you find a genuinely good deal on a base model M4 Mac Mini at a random retailer, you should probably just buy it. The M4 is still a total powerhouse. It will easily last you for years without any issues. But maybe you do not need a computer urgently. Maybe you want to future-proof your setup for the massive wave of local AI applications. In that case, holding out for that WWDC 2026 announcement is definitely the right play. In my honest opinion, despite the incredibly frustrating price hikes, the Mac Mini is still king. Even with the annoying supply chain drama, this computer remains the absolute greatest piece of hardware Apple makes right now. Dollar for dollar, there is simply nothing else on the market that comes close. Nothing else offers this level of silent, efficient, raw computing power in such a tiny footprint. The barrier to entry might be getting slightly higher, but the sheer amount of workstation performance Apple is cramming into the upcoming M5 model completely justifies the cost. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering. It is going to force the entire PC industry to rethink how desktop computers are built. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.